Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Sea of Thieves on a laptop. First, ensure your laptop meets the game's minimum system requirements, which include at least 8 GB of RAM and 60 GB of free disk space. You'll also need a stable internet connection for online play. Then, download and install Sea of Thieves from a trusted platform like Steam or the Microsoft Store. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth sailing experience. Once installed, it's time to master the controls. Sea of Thieves is best played with a keyboard and mouse for precise aiming and movement. Learn basic actions like walking with W, A, S, D, jumping with the spacebar, and interacting with F. You'll also need to navigate your ship, which involves raising sails, dropping anchor, and steering. Remember, you can customize keybinds in the settings to suit your playstyle. To get the best performance on your laptop, optimize your in-game graphics settings. Lowering options like shadow quality and model detail can significantly boost your frame rate. You can also adjust resolution scaling to reduce the load on your graphics processing unit. Always close unnecessary background applications before playing to free up system resources. Regularly updating your graphics drivers is also vital for optimal performance and stability. For new pirates, completing the Maiden Voyage tutorial is highly recommended to learn the core game mechanics. Sea of Thieves is a shared world adventure, so teaming up with other players often leads to a more enjoyable and successful experience. Explore the vast world, discover islands, and complete voyages for trading companies to earn gold and reputation. Always keep an eye on the horizon for other ships, as not all pirates are friendly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.